Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable desktop view on websites as default using the DeX, Samsung DeX mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. Okay, so let's begin with the introduction to the websites. You can see if you go to like Google Chrome, because that's where the problem typically occurs. If you go to like any website, there is a high chance that that website will be displayed in the mobile version, not in the desktop version. And I'll demonstrate it on an example of YouTube. You can see now I have forced it already in settings for it to look like this, but I'll show you how it actually will look like in your case. Okay, you can see that this is how it's looking currently. It shouldn't look like that on a computer, right? It looks great on phones, but here it's absolutely not how it should look like. And if I go to any other website, let's try Facebook right now, okay, it's also still in the desktop mode, but if I type something in like Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7, for example, then also the website here is in the mobile mode and it doesn't look good at all. So if you want to fix that, I'd highly recommend going to three dots and you can enable desktop site here. You can just enable it and it will display that, but it's not persistent. Once you exit that website, enter it again, it'll go back to the mobile mode. If you want to enable it for always, forever, go to settings, then go to site settings. Now go to desktop site and make sure that it's set to desktop site, that it's enabled. That option can be disabled, but feel free to select however you want. Just remove this one from the list. So everything is in desktop site. And now I believe that when I refresh YouTube, it will be in desktop mode, as you can see. So that's great. But Google Chrome honestly doesn't always work with that well. I'll try to demonstrate that. If I reopen it, then there's a chance that, for example, Google website won't be displayed in the desktop mode. You can see YouTube was, but Google.com was not. So what's the best to do here is just use the Samsung browser, the Samsung internet. You can see it right here. It comes pre-installed on Samsung phones. And here all the websites are being displayed correctly, like on a desktop, like on an actual desktop. And if you switch to your phone, then it'll be displayed like on a phone. I'll try to do it, send to other display, and we'll see it here. Okay, I think it's still in the desktop mode, but it's not that big of a problem. If you go to a new website on your phone though, it will open in the mobile view. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.